And if your shades are light brown, gives big bear hugs and has terrible jokes, but he's gonna tell them anyway, 'cause he's dead to the bone, dead to the bone, dead to the bone, dead, dead to the bone. He's got 1,000 steaks on the barbecue, ripped 1,000 thoughts, baby, and waved them towards you. He's got hair that is growing out his ears and nose, baby bjorn on his chest, 'cause he's dead to the bone, dead to the bone, dead, dead to the bone. He takes extra time when he's in the bathroom. He's got a special way reading Goodnight Moon. Lets the kids win at races, but he makes it seem close. He seduced your mommy, now he's dead to the bone. Dead, dead to the bone. He teaches you stuff like how to ride a bike, and he's always there with unsolicited advice. Beware evildoers, he's a superhero. Lets his daughter braid his hair, 'cause he's dead to the bone, dead to the bone, dead, dead, dead.